Good afternoon, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is Friday, November the 29th. I hope that you all had a happy and safe Thanksgiving. I know that I did. Anyway, this is a soldering kit. And this is, if not the probably most useless, most inefficient soldering kit that I have ever seen. I was working on a project the other night. Actually, I was working on the fan that I just recently bought, which was the 12-inch Lasco, and my intentions were to throw to replace the cord, and pretty much everything is all soldered together. So I figured that was probably the only way that I could do it. And this piece of shit here that you see, this soldering iron, well, that's what it's called. This thing is rated for 120 volts and 60 hertz and 30 watts. Now, I followed every direction, and I even watched, I got advice from family members, watched videos on YouTube, did everything I was supposed to. So I just hooked it up, and I let it sit for maybe about 5 or 10 minutes. And the soldering iron did not do anything. Literally could not even break through the rubber of the cord. I mean, I even used the cleaner here. There's the flux paste. I don't know why this phone is not focusing. And here's the materials here. And there's the flux kit. Here's some more of the material, the lead. There's some of the other stuff in there. My brother was using this for a project he was working on not too long ago. He was trying to replace a battery in one of his games, his game cartridges, and he said that the thing was not worth the shoot. Didn't work right. Just was not at all effective. So I asked if there was something available that I could use for my project. They gave me this. I have not had much of any experience with soldering. I think I did one time, and that is when I did when I worked on my Wizard Hassock fan a couple of years back. And I think the one that I had back then was an older Craftsman, and it was, I don't remember what the rating on it was, but unfortunately I no longer have that on me. So this is probably the most sorriest piece of crap soldering kit that I have ever seen. Don't know what I'll do with it. Maybe if I'll just throw it away or something. I don't know. I have a video that I was working. I have the video where I was, using it when I was working on my fan the other night. Unfortunately, I could not get through the rest of the video because nothing was going right. But yeah. So, well, there's an October fail, and I guess there's a November fail too. There is a piece of crap soldering kit, and I hope that you all have enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Until the next one, Hopefully it won't be a fail. So, over and out.